what we can do is we can't do much than raising funds. We can't do much than trying to convince the people to stand up for humanity. Yani. That's not a lot we can do. So I thought I have to do action, and it's within raising funds.
Born and raised in Germany to Palestinian parents, Abed Rahman combined his love for cycling with his passion for advocating Palestinian rights and embarked on a cycling mission to raise awareness and funds for a healthcare facility in Gaza.
It was an idea that I had way before the situation started in Gaza. But when the situation started, it was extremely hard for me to take the decision to do it because you have the feeling like now you are living on again. Now you are having fun again. Now you are getting to go around the world again. And I never would have imagined that I could have done something like this again when I was sleeping in the nights in Gaza, waiting for some sunlight to end the madness, to end the bombing around you.
Abed and his mother were in Gaza last year for a relative's wedding when Israel's war on the enclave started. Staying in Ashati refugee camp in northern Gaza City, the joyous occasion quickly turned into a harrowing experience as the region descended into chaos. Abed and his mum tried to use their German passports to get out of Gaza, but the government in Berlin said there was nothing they could do for them.
There's no recognition for our lives. They don't care about our lives. So politically, I got told from the German embassy, we are not in a position to stop the war. We are not in a position to negotiate around a ceasefire or something. We can't help you. That's it. You have to wait until something changes, and we can't help you.
After 5 weeks of war, Abed and his mother got out of Gaza narrowly, escaping death multiple times.
What's happening in Gaza right now is the first time for everyone. Before there wasn't a war really, yani. Nothing. Like 2014, there were a lot of ceasefires. Like 1 day of fighting, then 1 day of ceasefire. It was a completely different situation. Like basically, you go on the street, you see dead people, dead bodies. I myself, I saw the dead bodies on the street, and in the first 5 weeks, the massacres were not at the level they are now.
Due to the lack of international support and the inhumane situation Palestinians are suffering under, Abed worries about the future of Palestinians, especially those living through the current war on Gaza.
I think that after this ends, it will be much, much, much bigger of a problem because the people are used to seeing blood. They are used to have inhumane treatment to them. So there are people that strive in this kind of situation, help other people. There are people too that get criminal. And I think that one of the things no one sees that after this all ends, when it ends, there will be hard problems within the people. There's nothing left for a civilized society. There's nothing left. So how are the people getting to cope with it after the war?
Throughout his journey, Abed's primary goal has been to raise funds for a health center in Gaza. This center, staffed by 10 doctors, provides crucial services to the war-torn community, offering treatment for diabetes, cancer, and those injured as a result of the bombing, providing free medical care to those who need it most.
It's not hard to understand why innocent children are not supposed to be killed. It's not hard to understand that people living in a tent by 40 degrees and living under rain in the winter, and people are getting expelled from their homes. It's not a difficult situation to understand.